Good morning, guys. So, a day in my life as a productive. Hi, everybody. So, you are watching this channel. You're about to watch a day in my fucking life. So, hope you guys have been able to watch this video. And my mind is still processing things because sa mga oras na din ako natapos kagabi. Naglaba kasi ako. And yeah, let's start our day while I'm trying to while I'm trying to bring you guys from my life. I'll try to bring you one of the clips go through in my normal day-to-day basis. So for this day, bili lang kami ng salad na let's try our best. Hey guys, bibili kami ngayon. Ay putang ina talaga oh. So guys, may namataan ho kaming aso na pumupuwersa. Ngayon ho, ipapasok ho natin siya. Ang pangalan niya Lila. Ang ina ka. Ako ang date sa umaga.
Nan! Ah!
Be, ano ba yan? Parang naman to dyan. Everybody, so tapos na ako mag-ligpit. All I just have to do is just to rezip all of this thing and to make everything is secure and well packed. All of the gamuts here na mag-aayusan ko ay ayos na. Guys, on the way na ako sa make-upan ko. And di ko na ako nakapag-video kasi nagmamadali na ako. Late na ako. Ang call time is 3. And I'm crossing my fingers that I'll be still, on flick na maayusan yung kaayusan ko. Ano rin? Friends kami na parang kami yung blackfish ng section namin. Parang Mean Girls. Here's the job that I'm currently here. I'm walking here. Hi guys! So I'm off to work. Na kayo mag-aanong masasama pa sa off ko sa work. I'm wearing my ID lace already since prohibited yung mga galaw doon. So there is an event in mind. Alright, thank you so much for confirming, Sandy. And I do also see here that you've been providing with us with your email address and file. Upon checking here,
Kinakain na kami ng call center, guys. So yeah, guys, before anything else, I'm out for here. And I don't know if I could be able to remain or, you know, sustain my energy to have a skincare. So yeah, with my girlfriend, we're bye-bye for now. We'll see you on the next one. Bitches. Hi guys! Ito kami ng best ko. So, a day in my life as... ano a day in my life? Pero gabi. A duty in my life here in Alorica. Here is Mar. Hi. So, you're about to watch this video when I upload it on my YouTube channel. So, please subscribe to my OnlyFans. See couples of people here at Starbucks. There's a lot of tao here. Naging si ano? Naging si Bea Boris. It seems a lot of tao here. And that is the Lanson Mansion that I often use or to do vlogs because it seems that vlogging is not my forte, but you know what I'm saying? That if you're be able to become comfortable for what you do, you'll be able to somehow to be at ease of what you do, right? Mm-hmm. Yes. Hi, thank you so much for calling. This is a bad bitch. Who the fuck am I speaking with today? Vlog. Ang ina mo, napatingin ako sa'yo.
Siyempre, baby lang. Dinatanggalan tayo ng trabaho.
For the one, provide you the right information you needed. That it's already daytime and it's 6 a.m. already. We do have here our daytime proof of kineme that it's already daytime. Black vlog, baklang pangag, nag-vlog. Black gag, baklang pangag, na vlog. Ha? Friends, pauwi na kami and talagang ang natudulo talaga ng over at night shift ay so hindi ka talaga magiging fresh. That's all I know. Ayoko na din talaga mag-makeup din pauwi kasi wala din namang pero tatanggalin mo rin naman. So, ano bang purpose, right? So, let's stick with our bare face. Fresh and natural skin, oily skin. And that is something that we should need to be grateful for as a citizen of this Philippines. Guys, if there's anything else happen with us.